Hello, everyone. Today I am flipping through the January devotion entitled Blessings. Here is the card that I created from the kit. This is going to someone this month. And at the end, you will see me. Oh, actually, you will see me right in it there. I have written to someone who, one of the sisters who has lost their pet. So that is going to them. Here is the beginning of it with all the scriptures and things like that. I have completed this. I still have a little bit more to do. So I'm going to journal as I go. So that's what I was saying there. I still have the three people to study, which is Abraham, David, and Mary. I still have those to look up and to journal about, as well as I also have the I'm just highlighting these so I can remember that I need to journal about those and study about those three people in regards to how that God blessed their life and what promises also. And anyway, and also the questions I will review over as well. So I'm just going to put like a sticky note there so that I will know to come back to that and to finish those questions as I finish up this month's devotion. I tried to finish early so that I could start on February's Love Hop devotion and cute little projects. And then there will also be another devotion at the end of February, just like this one, similar to this one with the Traveler's Notebook. So look for that coming up of February's Traveler's Notebook. It'll be toward the end of the month of February. So here I am just marking off with my hearts the days that I have completed. And of course, I am, like I said, I am ahead of myself because I need to go ahead and start planning for February for you guys. It will be posted soon. I think next week it'll be posted. Here I am just writing at the top of this little space that I had, um, reminding myself to take care of the people that I need to journal about. And I'm going to stick those about them. And then I have to actually journal in my hearts about counting my actual blessings for last year. Here I'm just showing you how that I journaled on the back of the dex cards and on the tags with the journaling cards. I love those. Those will come in handy all throughout many different studies that we'll be doing. Blank spaces for me to write on. I did do an index card prayer there, and then I have another dex card that I'm going to journal a prayer on. Here is one of the other tags that I journaled on, and this is the letter. I wrote a letter to the Lord, and it says, Dear Lord, and then I used a wax seal, and I just wrote a prayer to the Lord there. The wax seal broke. And now this is the music, so actually the song, the hymnal, the hymn that was out of copyright. So this is a blessing to me. So I'm going to go through this and I'm going to journal on the back because I want to actually, this is a wonderful song. So I actually want to go through and read it and take in what the Lord wants me to have from the song. Here I'm thinking, man, this is awful white. It's white. It's just too bright for me. So I'm kind of grunging it up a little bit to make it fit my taste because it's just too much. And I will write a simple little sentence in this later on, whenever I get done reading this, the song and going through the hymn and things like that, and allowing the Lord to speak through me through that. So I want to know what He wants me to have out of that song. So I will journal that. Like I said, some people don't share their Bible journaling because it is very personal, and I do understand that. And I just will be showing glimpses and things of mine. I will be adding a ton more about blessings and about the blessings that the Lord bestowed upon me last year, and then of course the blessings that He has already begun for me this year. So I'm gonna go look those people up, and I'm gonna journal about them, and I'm going to come and do my questions. And I've realized that basically I've already journaled just about all the questions already. So I'm going to put that sticky note back and I'm going to concentrate on filling up the journal. And I hope that you enjoyed this month's devotion. Please stay tuned for next month's devotions coming up. All printables are links below. Bye.